Hey, it's Jen Thoden with YourColorStyle.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you all about the soft and warm color fan, what's in it, how to use it, and who it's for. So let's talk about the words soft and warm. Soft means that the fan has colors that are muted and grayed. So just to give you an example, on the left is a clear blue. It's a blue that's clear chroma. It is not muted, and on the right is the same blue, but now it is muted and grayed, and so it's a lot softer. Okay, and so that's how all the colors are in the color fan. It's warm because the colors are for people with warm undertones. Each page of the color fan has a full range of colors from light to dark. In the center here, where there's the letter C, that is the brightest of the colors in each hue. So these are, again, muted colors. So in this example, this is a soft red, a muted red. Black is added to darken, and white is added to lighten. And that's for all the colors in the color fan. In the back of the color fan are ideal neutrals for the soft and warm color palette. So you can see here that there are 5 pages of neutrals that you can refer to. Also in the color fan are your lipstick colors. And these are going to be the pages that are the number 0, the number 1, and the number 2. And that is your tomato reds, your true reds, and your pinks. And those colors are also the ideal lipstick colors in your color palette. So let's talk about who this color fan is for and how to use your color fan. So I'm going to give you several examples of different looking people that are in the soft and warm category and help you understand how you would use this color fan based on your natural coloring and tone. Let's first start out with someone who is soft, warm, and light. This is someone who can also be categorized as a soft spring in the seasonal colors. They have light hair, light eyes, and light skin, and they have warm undertones with a softness about them. And so this example here is a perfect example of someone who's soft, warm, and light. Now, if you are typed as light, what that means is when you look at the color fan for soft and warm, you would only wear the colors up to the C category here. In fact, let me show you the strip. You would only go up to C because the B and A colors might be too dark for you, okay? Then if we go a little bit darker, we now have someone who is soft, warm, and medium. And I have several examples here of people who could be considered soft, warm, and medium. Again, these are individuals that look best in colors that are soft and muted. They have warm undertones, but now they have about a medium darkness to them. In the seasons, they might be considered a soft spring or even a soft autumn. So you can see here that she has golden blonde hair, but her eyes are soft but a little bit dark. Also, people who have a combination of warmth. She has warm undertones in her skin and eyes, and her hair is this salt and pepper. So that mix of cool and warm also creates someone who is soft, and she's about medium in depth. This individual has beautiful golden warm skin. She definitely has warm undertones. She has deeper eyes, and she has that salt and pepper hair that really kind of softens her overall look. She could maybe even go to the deep category because her eyes are so dark. But I kind of looked at her and felt that medium color would be best. Now again, what that means is when you're looking back at the strips of the color fan, medium would be recommended to go as dark as the B category. A might be too dark for you, okay? Okay, so now let's talk about oh, here's one more for soft, warm, and medium. Again, you have the golden brown eyes, golden hair, and just about medium in depth. So now let's look at soft, warm, and deep. Again, these are individuals who can wear colors that are soft and muted. They have warm undertones, but now they have deepness to them, whether it's in their hair or in their eyes. And what that means is when you're looking at the color fan, you'll be wearing colors as dark as the letter A. And you might want to avoid the light pastel colors in the F because it might be too light for you and wash you out. So E through A if you are considered deep. And let me give you another example of deep. This is a woman of color. She has that beautiful golden skin for warm undertones, those soft hazily eyes, but her hair is very deep, so I would consider her soft, warm, and deep. And in the seasons, that might mean a soft autumn. So that is your soft and warm color fan. As you can see, it's for a full range of individuals that are soft and warm, and you can find that fan at colorfans.com. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're still trying to figure out what colors look best on you, take the quiz that's out on yourcolorstyle.com. It's absolutely free and it will walk you through step by step to help you figure out what colors will look best on you.